Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to dispute Equifax in Credit Karma. So the process is very easy to do, just follow this step-by-step guide and you will be able to do that. So the first thing you need to do is just open up your Credit Karma website or the app and then log in your account. From the dashboard, go to the credit report section. Credit Karma provides credit reports from the credit bureau websites such as TransUnion and Equifax. In your Equifax report, find the account or item you believe is incorrect, whether it is a missed payment, collection, or other information. So simply click on the account to see more details. When viewing the item details, look for an option called dispute. Credit Karma will redirect you to Equifax website to complete the dispute directly. So on the dispute page, explain why you are disputing the item, such as incorrect payment status, duplicate account, and many other reasons. So simply select the reason, and you may also need to upload supporting documentation such as payment receipts, correspondence with the creditors, or the statements. So simply upload all the supporting documents that you need will help. And once you submit that deposit dispute, you can also check the status of your dispute through the Equifax. They are typically complete investigations within 30 days. So if dispute is resolved in your favor, Equifax will update your credit report accordingly. So that is how you can dispute Equifax in Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.